This design is based on a European Iron Lux. The project's name is Clean Crisp Lines. The house itself is over 250 square metres. There's 23 glazed windows and doors, which is quite unique in Sunshine Cove, being a small block. I like the fact that it's white. Yeah, really enhances, I think, the house being so crisp and clean. The polished floors, the high ceilings. I think being a contemporary design and that sort of modern feel, it's quite minimalist, but then you can add your personal touches with your furnishings. And yeah, there's so much passion and thought put into this home in a very simple format, but I believe that someone could come along and really put their personal touch to this and enhance what we've already created.